Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the smoky world of tandoori cuisine with a vegetarian twist. Tandoori Aloo, also known as Aloo Tikka, is a fiery, flavorful and absolutely delicious dish that will steal the show at your next get-together. And the best part, you don't need a tandoor. That's right, we are bringing the street side flavors to your kitchen. So let's get started. We take the baby potatoes, which are the perfect canvas for our bold flavors. Add some salt to the water in a vessel and add the potatoes. Cover and boil on the high flame for 15 minutes until they are cooked through but still firm. Check the boiled potatoes with a skewer to see if they are done. You know they are boiled enough if it goes through without any resistance. Peel them after they have cooled off. To allow the marinade to enter each potato, pierce it 2 to 3 times with a fork. For making the marinade, take hung curd, garlic paste, ginger paste, red chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, ground kebab chili, ground mace, grated nutmeg, garam masala, a few drops of Kevra essence, salt, and for some binding add besan. Mix all the ingredients and make a thick marinade. To the prepared baby potatoes, add the marinade and coat them evenly. Then add few spoonfuls of raw mustard oil and coat the potatoes. Marinate them for a minimum of 30 minutes. Now take a wooden skewer that has been soaked in water for 20 minutes. Skewer the potatoes by holding them firmly in your hands and pulling them down on the skewer. It is important not to push the skewer into the potatoes as this may result in them splitting in half. To make it easier to handle while cooking, we will skewer 3 potatoes to each wooden skewer. Do the same with rest of the potatoes. On a low flame on your smallest burner, place a roti grill. Make sure you don't overcrowd the grill when you place the skewers on it. Once the potatoes start to char and smoke, slowly turn them over. You can tell your potatoes are cooked by the darker color of the marinade on them. Apply some butter over the charred potatoes to take the flavor to the next level. You need to be patient during the whole grilling process. When taking the potatoes off the grill, make sure they are cooked on all sides. Do the same process with the rest of the potatoes. And there you have it, Tandoori Aloo ready to be devoured. Serve it hot with a side of mint chutney with sprinkled chopped green chilies and coriander leaves. And watch as it becomes the star of your meal. We hope you like this recipe and will try it at home. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. Thank you for watching and happy cooking!